Hi, I wanted to show you how to add your progress reports and report cards to a district email. So when you go in to your Elluminate and you go to your report cards, and here's your grade book, okay, and here are your grades. What you're going to do is you're going to go to grades and you're going to go to printing and print history. When you get there, you're going to choose your site, you're going to choose your class, you're going to choose your students if you want, but I am going to show you that once you get this all loaded and you show your report cards, this may not come up for me because I'm not teaching anymore, but you generate your report cards. Okay, so when you go into generate your report cards, what you're going to do is you're going to go view your print history. And when you see this, view your print history, here is the one that I just did for 17 of my students because I had a 4 or 5 combo. But you're going to see too that you can download them or you can reprint them. What you're going to do is you're going to print down, you're going to click download, okay? And it's RC 76920 PDF. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Gmail, I'm going to compose, I'm going to add a file, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and here are my report cards. And I'm going to open, and then they're attached. And then I'm just going to send them to whoever I want to send them to. So Corey B, and I'm going to put progress report here. And then I'm going to send. And then voila, it's all finished. So then I'll get my report cards. I'll get my progress reports.